Well, it's not going to be long social media.
Rib-o-meters! Zot, zot, zot! Woo! For this.
Oh, in the...
Here it is! Rib-o-meters! Zot, zot, zot!
Hey.
Payback is a bitch. It's good to be back. To our mighty anteaters.
You want to see this one?
Oh, yeah. The mighty anteaters victorious tonight. Yeah. This is for the anteaters at Newport Rib Company.
Go Beach!
Rib Co! Rib Co! Rib-o-meters! Zot, zot, zot!
Oh, he's gonna die!
I was not gonna catch you. I'm not catching you, by the way.
I gotta thank my mighty anteaters for backing me up today. They knew it was an important game for me, and to believe it or not, Naples Rib Company is catering their team meal, and believe it or not, it's going to be just as good as Newport. Thank you. Love it.